Hello, Sarah here again with another one of my short videos with millinery techniques. And this time we're going to talk about rolling the edge of sinamay. I get lots and lots of inquiries saying, I can't seem to do it. It unrolls, it unravels. So I thought we'd do that. So I've got some white sinamay here so it shows up. First off, you've always got to cut on the cross. So, a bit unwieldy this piece, never mind. I'm going to cut it across the grain. Like, oh, things are falling off the table. If you're doing this for something specific, you probably want to measure, but as I'm just doing this to show you, so I'm going to cut a piece about 2.5 to 3 inches wide. So bear with me. Right. First off, your sinamay has to be quite stiff for this to work. Very loose weave, very soft sinamay doesn't work very well at all. So you want fairly stiff sinamay, and if it isn't stiff, stiffen it before you use it and let it dry. So here we have our piece and we're going to roll. Now you literally do it with your fingers and you do as small a roll as you can. And it is quite hard on the fingers because you've got to get it started like so, as you can see, and then you carry on along the roll. Now don't think that just rolling the edge is going to be the last piece of it. I would hang on to the end of this video to see how you make it stay in position. Now if you struggle to curl it, you can just slightly dampen your fingers, but don't dampen the sinamay because it does tend to distort then and unroll, and you'll be very unhappy that you've rolled all the way along, and because you've made it wet, it's all sprung open again. So I'm going to get on with this, come back to you in a moment. Right, so you can see that I've rolled along both edges and it looks quite lumpy and bumpy. And it took quite a long time to do and it's very hard on the thumbs. Now to make this look so much better, what you need to do is pull it like that. So this is why you have to do it on the bias, so that when you pull it and stretch it, the rolls stay rolled and aren't wavy. So there you have it. It's nice now, there's no wavy edges. What I shall do at the ends is trim them off, roll that end like so, give me a bit of a fancy end. Okay, and then it's yours to do with what you want. Now, if it's not flexible enough for you, steam it with your steam iron, but then you should be able to do lots with it. You can make flowers, fascinators, whatever you like. So I'm just going to give it a quick blast of steam to give it some bend. If there are any bits that have come slightly unrolled, just roll them back up again tightly. But the trick is to have it cut on the bias and to stretch it at the end. So there's a bit there that's come undrift. And then once you do it again, it will stay put. So I've given it a blast. Let's give it a blast. Give it just a bit of flexibility. And now I can make something with it, as you can see. something pretty to make into a fascinator. So I hope you've enjoyed this short tutorial on rolling sinamay. Oh, by the way, if you've got a salvage like that, cut it off. You can't roll that. And I hope it's been useful. Do subscribe and don't forget to click for notifications so that you know when my next videos are coming up. And I will be doing a selection of short videos with various techniques on. And of course, you could always become a member. The join link is in the details below. Thank you very much. Bye.